Complinity is India's leading compliance software. So what is the problem that we're trying to solve? As we all know that there are complex laws, more than 1,500 central, state, municipal, and industry-specific laws. And it's very difficult for a professional or for a company to keep tab on all laws and manage compliances holistically. Frequent amendments or thousands of legal updates every year, huge penalties, there's a risk of cancellation of business license for non-compliance, strict enforcement. So government or the government bodies are issuing a lot of online show cause notices and e-assessments for non-compliances. And lastly, inadequate processes. So what we have seen is that most of the businesses have inadequate or manual processes to manage their compliances. So the solution is Complinity, which is an integrated governance, risk, and compliance platform. We help companies in 3 ways. The first one is a digital transformation through digitization, wherein we are replacing Excel words, spreadsheets with and manual processes, which leads to visibility and accountability. The second is increased efficiency through automation. So automated legal updates, automated alerts and reminders, workflows, dashboards, reports, and then risk management, which ensures compliances with applicable laws, helps avoid penalties, persecutions, and litigations, and helps implement better processes and controls. So Complinity, again, is a one-stop shop for governance, risk, and compliance software. There are 12 modules. All modules above the yellow line are part of the compliance base pack. So the 8 modules on the top are part of the compliance base pack, and then there are 4 add-on modules. So compliance is to help track and monitor all statutory compliances. Legal updates to get real-time legal updates. Secretarial is to automate your secretarial compliances. To track and monitor all notices from the government bodies, you can use the assessments module. Registrations is to maintain a repository of all your licenses and registrations. To track all insurances, we have the insurance module. To maintain all important documents, there's a document module. And then there is a collaborative task management module also present. The add-on modules include contract, which will help you to track and monitor the complete contract or an agreement life cycle. To track open cases, hearings, and legal notices, litigation module. To track all audit findings till closure, we have the audit module. And then to manage risk and controls, there's a internal controls module. We are high on data security. We are an ISO certified company, both 27001 and 9001. The software is on Amazon Cloud, Amazon AWS, 256-bit encryption of data to ensure data security. We keep getting ourselves, we keep doing VAPTs to ensure that there are no vulnerabilities. Regular third-party audits also to ensure that there are no, vulnerabilities. There are automated backups, multi-factor authentication, secured protocols. So the software works on HTTPS protocol. If the company wants, the software can work on specified IP addresses, and the access is restricted through a role-based, restriction. What are the benefits to the users? So Complinity helps establish a centralized monitoring framework covering central laws, state laws, and industry-specific laws, real-time legal updates for all the applicable laws, tracking of internal compliances. So through Complinity, you can track all the policies, procedures, ISO checklists, SOPs, etc. Automated alerts and reminders, which will ensure that the compliances are done on time, and then escalations to senior people. Real-time dashboards for all entities, officers, branch officers, factories, warehouses, etc. And an integrated governance, risk and risk management through the usage of to manage all your contracts, litigations, risk, and controls. Also available is a centralized document repository so that all important documents can be maintained and then searched whenever they are required. Benefits to the senior management. With the implementation of Complinity, there is a digital transformation, so the senior management can get real-time visibility of the governance, risk, and compliance data and documents. Increased efficiencies through automated legal updates, alerts, reminders, escalation, dashboards, and reports. Risk and management, which leads to reduction of monetary penalties, interest on delayed payments, or the license cancellation and a reputational impact due to non-compliances. Value creation, so it leads to enhanced goodwill and creditworthiness. So we have implemented this software in 300 plus companies. We've covered 50 plus industries, which includes industries like hospitality, healthcare, pharma, auto, BFSI, manufacturing, telecom, insurance, so on and so forth. And some of our customers are shown on the screen, companies like Panasonic, Maersk, British Council, Randstad, Bosch & Lomb, EESL, which is a PSU, Bikanerwala, Hindware, Amaron Batteries, TVS Credit, JBM Group, JP Group, DCM Shriram, Max Healthcare, Oyo Rooms, Yes Bank, and so on and so forth. So 300 plus companies and 8,000 plus happy users. So what are our USPs? So Complinity is a comprehensive software with 12 modules, real-time legal updates on 1,800 plus laws and around 20,000 plus compliances spread across almost all the states in India. All modules are fully integrated with common masters and linkages. Complinity is a mature software which has evolved over the last 5 years with extensive usage and feedback. It's a very easy to use software where all modules are single page modules, which are and the options are extremely intuitive and the software is very easy to use. Quarterly version upgrades. So every calendar quarter, the new versions are released. So we are high on product development and future roadmap. Complinity is a stable organization with a global vision. We are a venture funded company, ISO certified and fast growing. 3 co-founders. So Sumit is the co-founder and CEO. He's a corporate lawyer and a company secretary with 20 plus years of experience. So Sumit handles client relations. Hari Balasubramaniam is a technology professional with around 30 plus years of technology experience. He's the CTO. So his team handles the software. And Kapil Sharma is also a corporate lawyer and a company secretary with 20 plus years of experience, and he heads the operations. So that's it on the Complinity profile. If you want to reach out to us, you can reach out to us at sales@complinity.com or 8181 900 600, and we will be happy to answer your queries.